Clipper King's Hair Care Solutions. One of our greatest products is the Hair Fiber and Beard Kit. The kit includes hair fibers, applicator pump spray, and fiber holding spray. Let's review some of the benefits.
Welcome, as an educator and team member for this brand. In this video we will share some details of the Clipper King's Hair Care brand, offering hair care products and solutions. Stay tuned.
Hair Fiber Bundle. Works on all hair types. Applicator spray pump. Fiber holding spray. Covers thin areas. Hair and beard. Easy daily grooming. Fuller and darker appearance. Easy to apply. Hair building fibers can effectively conceal thinning hair, hair loss, and low hair volume. While they do get the job done, creating the appearance of voluminous hair, it is also essential to follow a proper hair care regimen to nourish and strengthen your hair. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.